Whatever thoughts may be arising, awareness is already prior to them. It is from that awareness, as that awareness, that you see those thoughts appearing. All thoughts do is just describe things. Right now, we are not interested in descriptions. We are not interested in words. Our simple little task is to notice the awareness which is already there, even prior to the thoughts. So, the main obstacle that we have with this simple little noticing of the awareness, which is already there, is the thoughts that keep arising, right? And sort of keep pulling us into their projections, into their descriptions. So, the other point that I wish for you to acknowledge today, and hopefully this will facilitate your task, your simple little task of noticing the awareness, which is already there, is this. When thoughts arise, you have to stop assuming that that is your activity. You have to let go of assuming that that is you speaking. You have to stop assuming that that is you. Even though it does appear, it does feel like I am doing those thoughts. It does feel like I am choosing what to think. It does appear to be that I am thinking those thoughts. You have to let go of identifying with those thoughts. It is not true that you are that thinking. It appears to be true. It feels like it's true, but you are not thinking. Thoughts are appearing in your seeing. They are arising and subsiding in awareness. Before thoughts appear, you are there. When thoughts are present, you are there. When thoughts are absent, when they subside, you are still there. The continuity of yourself you feel as I. It remains the same no matter how many thoughts come and go. You are the awareness which is already always there prior to the arising and subsiding of thought. In order to dissolve identification with the thoughts and their beliefs and projections, that is why this simple little task is given to us today. noticing the awareness which is already always there. That is your true position. That is what you feel as self in your experience. And in order to facilitate this simple little task of noticing your true position, being your true self, you have to let go of assuming that you are the thinking that is appearing. Thinking is not your true position. It appears to be, but it is an illusion. Nothing that you can think about this will help you because thoughts are quite literally designed to keep reinforcing this illusion. What is required and what I invite you to practice for the duration of the time that we're here today and after is let go of assuming the thought activity to be what you are. That is not your true position. That is not your true self. Instead, every time those thoughts appear, let go of interest. Let them go. And simply notice the awareness which is already always there, with or without thoughts. From your true position, you see thoughts come and go without changing you in any way. The way to start understanding your true position, living from your true position knowingly, is this simple little task of noticing the awareness which is already always present. You are not the thinking that you are aware of. You are that which is aware. Forget about the thinking. Have no interest in what is arising. Just notice the awareness, which is already always here. Again, thoughts are words, whereas awareness is just a silent watching, a silent seeing. Are you the thoughts which come and go, which are seen by you to come and go, while there is no change in yourself? It feels like I am the thinking, but you have to let go of this assumption. You have to let go of protecting this belief. You have to disown, disidentify with the thinking that is appearing. You are not that. You are that which sees its appearance and disappearance. Your true position is prior to the thought that is arising. To be yourself, to know yourself, simply notice the awareness which is already and always there. In noticing the awareness which always is, you are being that which is aware. Silence is the highest teaching because that which you are is simply silently aware, silently being aware. The mind which has something to say, there is awareness of. The words that are appearing, there is a silent awareness of. You are aware. Feel free to relax and open your eyes. Please make sure to practice this consistently. This will free you from mind identification if you take this practice and bring it into your day-to-day meditation. In order to help you do so, join our Daily Teachings Club. It is free to join. It will really help you stay consistent and clear with the practice. And if you are looking for greater help and support, you can also check out our School of Awakening, where you can work directly with me. I really hope that this message helped you today. Have a wonderful rest of your day. I will see you next time.